Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speed English. Do you want to speak English more fluently, but you don't have much time to study? Maybe you have a busy job. Maybe you are a student. Maybe you have a family. And when you think about learning English, you think you need 1 or 2 hours every day. But what if you only needed 10 minutes? Yes? Just 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes may sound like a very short time. But if you use those 10 minutes correctly, they can help you improve your English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and confidence. Of course, 10 minutes will not make you fluent overnight. Fluency takes time. But 10 minutes every day can help you build a powerful habit. And today, I will show you a simple 10-minute English routine. You can do it at home. You can do it while walking. You can do it during a break. You don't need a teacher. You don't need expensive courses. You only need 10 minutes. So, let's begin. Minute 1 and 2, listen. For the first 2 minutes, simply listen to English. Choose a short and easy English video, podcast, conversation, or lesson. Don't choose something that is too difficult. You don't need to understand every single word. Just listen. Pay attention to the sounds. Listen to the pronunciation. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to how the speaker connects words. For example, listen to this. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast. Then I go to work. After work, I come home and relax. Listen carefully. Don't translate every sentence into your native language. Your goal is to train your ears. At first, English may sound very fast. You may feel that all the words are connected. That's normal. Your brain needs time to become familiar with English sounds. So, listen every day. Even 2 minutes can help. Minute 3 and 4, repeat. Now it's time to speak. Listen to one short sentence. Then repeat it. For example, I am going to work. Your turn. I am going to work. Again. I am going to work. Good. Now, I have a busy day today. Your turn. I have a busy day today. This practice is called shadowing. You listen to English and copy the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the way the words sound together. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. The goal is to make English more comfortable for you. Many learners understand English, but when they try to speak, they feel slow. Why? Because their brain knows the words, but their mouth is not used to speaking English. Shadowing can help. So, speak out loud. Don't practice only inside your head. Your mouth needs practice too. Minute 5 and 6, talk about your life. Now spend 2 minutes talking about your own life. You don't need a speaking partner. You can talk to yourself. Start with something simple. For example, I woke up at 7 today. I had breakfast. Then I went to work. I had a busy morning. After work, I came home. Now I am relaxing and practicing English. That's enough. You can talk about your family, your job, your hobbies, your food, your plans, your weekend, your favorite movie, anything that is familiar to you. The important thing is to keep speaking. Don't stop because you make a mistake. Remember, you are practicing. You are not taking an exam. If you forget a word, don't stop. Try to explain it using simple English. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, the thing I use when it rains. You forgot one word, but you still communicated. That's a very important speaking skill. Minute 7 and 8, think in English. Now spend 2 minutes thinking in English. This is especially important if you translate everything in your head. Start with simple thoughts. When you wake up, think, I am awake. I need to get up. I am still tired. I need some water. I am hungry. When you are walking, think, I am walking. It is hot today. There are many people here. I am going to the shop. When you are cooking, think, I am making dinner. I need some water. The food smells good. When you use your phone, think, I am checking my messages. I have a new message. I need to reply. These sentences are very simple, but that's exactly what you need. Don't try to think in complicated English. Start with your everyday life. The goal is to connect your thoughts directly to English. Instead of your language English speaking, you want your idea English speaking. This takes time, but with daily practice, it becomes easier. The most important rule. Now, there is one important rule. Don't wait for perfect English. Many learners think, I need perfect grammar before I can speak. That's not true. You can speak while you are learning. You will make mistakes. That's normal. You may say something incorrectly today. Tomorrow, you may learn the correct way. Then you can try again. Speak. Make mistakes. Learn. Speak again. This is how you improve. Fluency does not mean knowing every English word. It does not mean speaking perfect English all the time. Fluency means being able to express your ideas and continue a conversation. You don't need thousands of difficult words. You need common words and useful phrases that you can actually use. For example, don't only learn the word busy. Learn, I am busy today. I am very busy right now. I have a busy day today. Use the language. Don't only memorize it. Your 3-0 challenge. Now I want to give you a simple challenge. For the next 30 days, practice English for 10 minutes every day. That's all. 10 minutes. You can use this routine. 2 minutes listening, 2 minutes repeating, 2 minutes speaking, 2 minutes thinking in English. And if you have a little extra time, use the final 2 minutes for free speaking. Choose a simple topic every day. Talk about yourself, your morning, your family, your job, your favorite food, your hobbies, your hometown, your plans, your weekend, your goals. You can even record your voice. Use your phone. Speak for 2 minutes. Then listen to yourself. Don't criticize yourself. Just notice what you can improve. Maybe you speak too fast. Maybe you pause too much. Maybe some words are unclear. That's okay. Now you know what to practice. After 30 days, record yourself again. Compare your new recording with your old one. You may be surprised by your progress. Remember, you don't need 1 hour every day. You don't need to study everything at once. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need difficult vocabulary. You need a simple routine. And you need consistency. Remember these 4 words. Listen, repeat, speak, think. Do this for 10 minutes every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you miss one day, don't give up. Just continue the next day. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes the next day. Small steps can create big results. So start today. Take 10 minutes. Listen to some easy English. Repeat the sentences. Talk about your life. Think in English. And speak without fear. You may not become fluent in 10 days. But if you keep practicing every day, you can become more comfortable, more confident, and more natural. And one day, you will notice something. You will hear English, and you will understand it faster. You will want to say something, and the words will come more easily. You will speak without thinking about every grammar rule. That's the goal. Not perfection, communication. Not fear, confidence. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Just 10 minutes. Every single day. This is Speed English. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And never give up. See you in the next lesson.